is Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Guys, once again, you know I really do appreciate you each time you stop by one of my videos. And if this is your first time, welcome. And if you are a returning viewer, you know you are welcome. Just come on in. You don't even have to knock on the door, okay? So just come on in, baby. Now, today, guys, I have a special treat for you. Today, I am hosting my very first open collaboration. Yes! And my co-host is J-Mom Creations.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Wesley and this is J-Mom Creations.
So guys, let me explain this Hints of Spring open collaboration. What we are to do is decorate any vignettes in the house, no matter if it's a part of your bedroom or your countertop in your bathroom, a dining room table, a console table, a coffee bar, end tables, microwave. It does not matter. Just use a hint of spring. And what I mean about that is you're just going to use something to remind you of spring, like a pastel floral, a bird, green grass, what else? Eggs or rabbits. It does not matter as long as you're using something with a hint of spring in it. And so that's it. And thank you so much. And thanks to all of those that participated in this open collaboration. We appreciate you so much for joining in with us, showing us what you got, and we know that what you have put up is going to be something that we can all enjoy. Okay, let's tell you a little bit about my co-host, J-Mom Creations. Okay. So J-Mom, she is a YouTube creator. She does decorate with me. She does shopping. She does vlogs. She does outdoor makeover. She does thrifting. She does painting. Oh, she does lifestyle. She does it all. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel as well as my co-host, J-Mom Creation. And when you finish watching this video, guys, I got a link down below in the description box. Go over and watch all of the participants that participated in this open collaboration. We all are bringing something different to the table. So you won't have to be looking at all tablescapes, but you'll be looking at different varieties of videos that they put together just for you. So go over and check out each one of them on the playlist, okay? Well, guys, if you like tablescape, I have a treat for you at the end of this video. So when you finish watching this video, just go on and click on the end screen and it will take you to another tablescape video, okay? Okay guys, we're going to get started. Let's start by doing our jumping jacks. Hey, got two of them in. Okay. Okay guys, this is some of the items that I will be using. I will be using my my charger here. Here is my placemat, my wine glasses, and my coaster. My flowers arrangement here, my vase, and a little DIY that I did, my floral, and this little blossom here, and my utensils. Let me see what else am I missing. And that's it, guys. Oh, how can I set a plate? How can I set a table without a plate, a bowl? but here's the bowl, and here is the plate. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so we're gonna do our jumping jacks. How do you do jumping jacks? Let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna come in and just put our let me let you see this. Put our placemat there. Okay, now we are going to come in with our chargers. That's our charger. Silver trimming. Now I'm coming in with my bowls, and it's matching my plates. Coming in with my napkin. Okay, and I'm just gonna do a simple fold here and just pull that through, and that's it, guys. And I got this little pretty purple that I cut off of a stem, and this is what we have. This is what it looking like. Here's my purple napkin ring. And these are my coaster here. And this is my purple vase that I'm going to be using. I'm just gonna put that in the center. Okay, so I got my ribbon tied around this. And guys, I'm just gonna drop this down like so. Okay, here's my floral ring there. But I'm gonna be using this today to like put a flower bed around my vase. So here are my little small wine glasses that I'm going to be using. Okay, so I'm almost done. So we're going to go with these little candle holders that I DIY'd. Okay guys, we are done. But anyway, this is the finished result. Guys, we have come to the end of this video, and I thank you so much for hanging out with me. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead on and do so at this time, and hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you'll know the next time when I upload another video, and leave comments just to let me know that hey, you have subscribed, and that way I can welcome you into the precious family, because if you don't, I will never know to welcome you. I will not know that you have subscribed to my channel, okay? So guys, I just want to thank everybody for participating in this, and I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future, because your future looks good on you. Bye-bye.